Hi, Merry Christmas! I think every December it's my custom to give bundles of joy and I wrap them in my very own DIY gift bags. So today, I was able to make a video of how to do the gift bags. I just bought a gift wrap 10 sheets for 100 pesos only, compared to buying ready-made gift bags for 25 pesos each. Now let's start. First, fold the wrap crosswise, making sure the edges are aligned. Fold the sides for about 2 inches or however you want it because it depends on the size of your gift bag. Fold the bottom part too. Its size is double to the fold at the side, so it's about 4 inches now. Seal the open side with an adhesive tape. So, at the bottom, make a rectangular base by doing this. Make triangular folds, then trapezoid folds. I'm at my parents' house now, so I don't have my tape dispenser here. Then open it up. Reach the insides and press the base down. At the sides, follow the crease marks, then fold. And done! Gift bags are ready. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.